burnt map. That's a burnt map. That's a map. I can see it. I can see the burntness. Hey guys, it's Christian Skaggs and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a look inspired by the new year. And my goal for 2019 is to treat myself right. When I think of treating something right, I also think of the word treasuring. So one led to another and this is what happened. A buried treasure map on my face. That's how my brain works. Just applying that all over my face. To start this look off, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and only applying it to half of my face. You'll see later on in the video why I'm only applying this to like half of my face. Now that the base is done for this side, I'm just going to set that with some of the MacXPatrickStarrr powder. I look ridiculous. Now on a Morphe M443 brush, I'm dipping into the shade 10% Off from the JEFREESTAR palette and applying that to the border to add some dimension. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of the shade Rusted to the very outer edge. Now I'm going to be dipping into Code Jams and blending that out. That's a burnt map. That's a map. I can see it. I can see the burntness. Going in with a black liner, I'm going to be deepening up that borderline. Going back in with the same shades before, I'm just going to be blending that out to add even more detail. Now I'm going to be taking my Morphe E4 brush and a little bit of the shade Inventor from the Pure Sculptor palette and applying that to the perimeter of my face on this side. Now I'm going to go back in and add little details with this brown liner like trees and mountains. Taking the Tardis Pro black liner, I'm now going to be drawing out the trail leading to the X. Now taking a red lip pencil, I'm going to be making an X. That marks the spot. Back in with that M433 brush and adding some shading with the same colors I did before, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. That is the treasure map side done. I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.
First you cross the troll bridge, then you go over the big rock, and that's how you get to the library! Smoke weed every day.
Now taking that brown liner, I'm just going to be outlining the shape of a compass so we can know where we're going. Now taking Code Jams on the Morphe M441 brush, I'm putting that on the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now dipping into 10% Off, I'm just going to be deepening the inner and outer corners. I know that all the beauty gurus talk about Morphe, but like, I love Morphe. And I don't even get paid to say that. I don't have the discount code, I don't have nothing. And I buy all the products. Now taking a Morphe M506 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Ebony and deepening those corners even further. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm dipping in the shade So Good and applying that to the center of the lid. Now I'm dipping into the shade Rusted and applying that on the outside of where the crease is kept. Taking that M506 brush, I'm applying the shade Ebony underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm applying some of the shade So Good to the center of the lower lash line. Now taking the Morphe M431 brush, I'm dipping in the shade Face and applying that to the inner corner. Taking the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, I'm going to be applying that to the inner corner. I'm going to be taking these tiny itty bitty little ruby gems and putting them right underneath the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to go apply a mascara and falsies off camera, and I'll be right back to finish this look. The eye is now all complete. Let's finish up this face and then we'll be done. I'm going to be taking the NARS lip pencils in the shade Corolla and Dolce Vita and applying those to my lips. On top of that, I'm going to be applying the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in the shade Red Hot because, you know, it's a hidden treasure. You gotta have the ruby lips. Next is to highlight. We're going to be taking the JEFREESTAR Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream, and we're going to be applying that pretty much all over this side of the face. So guys, what do you think? I have a buried treasure map with the trail leading to a big X. I have the buried treasure with some gold glitter and some diamond dust on my eye, along with some rubies underneath my eye and a ruby red lip to top it off. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Girl, if you made it this far into the video, give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Girl, bye. Look boys, if you follow this trail, it'll lead you right to the pot of gold.